Hello guys, welcome to SA World. Today I will show you how to replace damaged or broken laptop LCD. Now power on my laptop and you have see after power on this laptop LCD status damage, broken, not display, not any content show here, so I will replace this laptop LCD. First of all, remove your laptop battery, then follow carefully step by step. Now I will remove screws. After remove screws, mini screws, you can find your laptop. Remove this sheet carefully. Yeah, this is laptop model HP ProBook 440S. You can change any laptop LCD but carefully and watching these steps. So after sheet remove, open all screws. Remove LCD with this side stand. Now screw remove. Now I will remove this connection from motherboard. This connection connect LCD with laptop motherboard. Carefully remove because many pins here, and now remove laptop camera connection. Yeah, connection removed, and this is LCD model, LG display. Now successfully remove damaged LCD. So install new LCD. This is new LCD of this laptop model. All laptop model LCD is different. Match with model. Now install this new LCD on this laptop. So start. This is pins of LCD for connection. Now I will connect. Connection successful. So check after connection and install this camera, uh, because this is top on the LCD and connect with motherboard. So also connect this. After connecting this, now power on my laptop. This is laptop battery, so install battery and power on. Now display showed. Successfully install new screen of my laptop. You can see, you can also replace your laptop LCD LED, but carefully watching step by step. Follow this laptop LCD. Change now fitting and working.